When we first started planting corn, I followed the advice I saw online. Neat little rows spaced apart like in commercial farms. But something went horribly wrong. My corn grew tall, but the cobs were tiny. Some had no kernels at all, and we were absolutely devastated. And that's when we discovered the real reason it failed, and it had nothing to do with soil or watering. So here's the big mistake: planting in rows, not blocks. Corn is wind pollinated, so that means that the pollen needs to fall from the tassels at the top of the silks of the ears nearby. So when you plant in single rows, there's not enough contact between plants for that to happen properly. And without proper pollination, your ears of corn will be, well, let's say, sad. And this is especially true if you're growing in a backyard like mine, where wind doesn't flow evenly. As you can see here, the corn is planted on a small corner in the back of the backyard. So here's what you should do instead. Here's what we do now, and it changed everything. We plant in blocks, not rows. So I want you to think of a grid like a 3x4 or a 4x5, where each plant helps pollinate its neighbor. Not only did the corn grow stronger, but the harvest also doubled. Every crop was full and juicy, even in a small backyard corner. This method gives us around 12 to 15 full ears of corn, no chemicals and no fuss. So here's some bonus points that I'm going to leave you with in order to avoid other mistakes that we also learned along the way. And a few other things that we've learned. Number one is don't overcrowd too much. So I need you to keep at least 20 to 30 centimeters between plants in order to allow airflow. Don't do what we did. And also mulch like crazy. We didn't mulch. Mulch just really helps with retaining moisture and preventing the weeds. Also feed every 2 weeks. We personally used a liquid seaweed fertilizer and composting, and it worked wonders with helping to expand leaf growth and also helping with the beautiful shiny green color. All of these habits support the block planting method and boost pollination even more. So here's what we wish we knew so you don't repeat the same mistakes we did. So I wish someone had told us sooner that corn doesn't care about neat rows. It cares about two things: proximity and teamwork. And that's how corn naturally thrives. It thrives in clumps that work together. So if your corn didn't grow right last season, or you're planting for the first time, now you know what not to do. So this is what you need to do. Stop planting corns in rows, switch to blocks, and watch your harvest transform. Also, comment below if you've ever had a corn fail, or if you're trying this method this season. Like this video for more honest backyard gardening tips and strategies, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy planting. All the best.